Please slaughter chicken with your friends. For us, it's a challenge to you guys. Please, when are you going to slaughter another chicken for? Please let us know if your friend accepts the challenge. So today we are doing that, and not just a chicken but a whole duck from start to end. So stick around and watch to the end and tell me what else you want us to slaughter. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So my mom gave us this duck after the December holidays, and my sister decided, you know what, we are getting into the kitchen right now. And one thing about ducks, they take so long to die. Like, how many hearts does this thing have? Or what's the lifespan? Like, it takes so long. It can even fly away after you've already cut its head off. Trust me, it has ever happened at home. Yeah. After this, like after it's dead, we'll move on to cleaning, plucking, and getting everything ready for cooking. If you've never seen how food goes from farm to kitchen, stay with me. I'll show you every step. When it comes to removing the feathers, warm or hot water helps loosen them, making the process absolutely easier. And this part takes patience, but doing it properly makes a big difference later when cooking. A little pedicure. The next stage is dividing and cleaning the duck, and this is where we carefully open it up and remove the internal organs. And everything is done slowly and neatly to keep the meat clean. The intestines are removed first, followed by separating out the other organs. And some parts can be kept depending on preference, while others are, discarded. Yeah. And at this stage, proper cleaning is very important. We rinse thoroughly and check carefully to make sure everything is clean before moving forward. Taking your time here makes a big difference in the final taste and quality and everything. And by the way, don't forget to remove the pancreas. The pancreas will make your meat tasting sour. This green thing, see that? The thing that has a green liquid, you need to remove it. A little hack on how to light your charcoal or charcoal stove, or jiko in Swahili. I still had my Christmas nails on. Yay! So before frying, I like to add an extra step, and that is roasting the duck over a charcoal grill. And that's basically why we had the charcoal grill lit up. Yeah. So this gives it a beautiful smoky flavor and a golden color, and it also helps firm up the skin. So the slow roasting also removes excess moisture and adds a rich aroma that you just can't get from frying alone, and it also brings out the oil. Yeah. So after roasting, the duck is ready for the pan to seal in the flavor and keep the inside tender. And that's the full process from preparation and cleaning to charcoal roasting and cooking. For a fact, this duck was so yummy. So it takes patience, but the flavor at the end makes it completely worth it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Bye.